When I bought this microphone, I was confused and I thought I bought a wrong microphone and I need to go and buy another one again. So I was like, I'm confused. What should I do? Until I was able to figure it out. So guys, let me walk you how I figure it out. As you can see now, I'm not using it. I will show you how I was able to fix it and then was able to record with it. So I'll walk you through. I will just open the box. I'll just start. Here is it. With me, sorry, I don't have a table yet for me to arrange everything so you can see it clearly. So I've unboxed it. You can see I've unboxed everything. It comes with a charger. It comes with a charger. So this is how the charger will look like. This is a charger here, type C. In case you buy a new one, you have to see this inside there. And also it comes with a user manual. You know, when I bought it, I'm someone who I don't so much like these manual things, because at times they will write it in this Chinese. You can see they will write it in Chinese or words. You can see they will write it in Chinese words, so it looks sometimes very strenuous to read. Yes. So when I bought it, I tried it on my phone. It wasn't connecting. Yeah, because when I knew that immediately I power it on. When you power it on, you see there's a blink light here. There's a blink light here. It means the microphone is on. And then this is the receiver. This is how the receiver looks. There's 3 in 1. So when you power the receiver on, it will also produce a light. You get, that's a light that will produce. And it shows that it has already been connected, because you can see the 2 lights are stable. It shows that it has already been connected. But fortunate for me, I thought I've connected it already, but it wasn't connected. Yes, it wasn't connected. So I tried. There wasn't any way for me. So I went back to the manual. So I was reading this manual. There is a place here. They said receiver RX. So that is where all the magic lies. That is where everything you need to know about the microphone lies. Receiver RX. So I don't know if you can see it. If you can see it, you let me know at the comment section. I don't know. Can you see it? All right. So for you to on this, let me off it. For you to on it, you have to press hold. You press the power button for 1 second. You see, it's on. This microphone, you see, you can use it for phone recording, camera recording, and aux recording. That is amplifier. You can use it for amplifier recording. Yeah. Now this is for the receiver. This is the receiver, and this is the transmitter. This is where all the magic lies. If this one is not connected to your phone, you will never have a good recording. So now, with sound card and camera mode, for you to put this receiver in the camera mode, they said press the button briefly. Blue light, green light, 2 lights always on. So as you can see, if you check here very well, you will realize that there are 2 lights here, green and blue. So the microphone is now on camera mode. You get? So what I was saying is that if it is low, you will see a red light will blink. So you can see it's signaling that this receiver is low. get is low, so I need to charge it. So now that's for the camera mode. And then for you to put it on amplifier mode, press the button briefly. Green light always on. Green light always on. So the brief press is, you just press this power button here, this power button here. You just press it once. Light always on. Now for you to put it on phone mode, whereby you can record with your smartphone, you need to do the same process. You slightly press the power button, this power button, and the light will automatically change to blue. So they said phone mode, press the button briefly, blue light always on. So you press it again briefly, you see the blue light is on. So now, as you can see now, our receiver is connected already to be used on our phone. So without wasting our time, I will just test it so that you will know if it's connected, and you will see, you will hear the sound. It will be different with what I'm saying now. So guys, that is how you can connect your wireless receiver if you buy it new and it's not connecting to your phone. You don't need any software to do it. I hear a lot of people say you need to download a software for you to use it. No, you don't use a software for it. Yes. So guys, tell me if the sound has changed or is still the same as I was recording before. Tell me. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I drop a content, you will be able to see it. And also comment, like, share this video to people who are facing this similar issue, so that YouTube will also push this video to more and wider audience. Thank you. See you on my next video.